Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson in English 3. Our topic for today is using polite words and demonstrative pronouns. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. They are the basis of our lesson. Content standards, performance standards, learning competencies, activating prior knowledge. Good morning, class. I'm so happy to see your bright faces today. Are you ready to explore some wonderful stories and new words together? Let's dive into English. Remember our adventure through the Guardians of Wawa Dam meet yesterday? We did some awesome activities that brought our learnings to life. Now, let us find out if you still remember the words you learned yesterday. What are these words and what do they mean? Words found in the story. End in ST. Best, fast, forest, mass, pass. Word that ends in ND. Land, wind, behind, around, end. Words that ends in LT. Belt, built, pelt. MP, lump, camp. NT, constant, environment, important, plant, prevent, pollutant. Lesson purpose intention. Today, you will have a blast with English. You will get better at reading by learning common words, use polite words in fun role plays, talk about what's happening, sort out story events, figure out story problems, learn new words to add to the ones you already know, make our sentences crystal clear, and give our own twist to classic tales. Lesson language practice. Lesson language practice. Environment refers to our surroundings. Pollutants are substances that pollute the environment and cause harm. Conservation means protecting and preserving our natural resources. Reading the key idea stem. Let us talk about the main characters and events in the story The Guardians of Wawa Dam. Note how the characters grow and the key events that keep the story moving. For our comprehension, number 1, describe the main characters in the story. What are their most notable traits? The characters in our stories are Bernardo. The key traits is his strength. Maria, his wisdom. Question for comprehension number 2. How does the setting influence the events of the story? The setting provides the danger, the rushing water, and the solution, the rocks and plants for our heroes. How do the characters change from the beginning to the end of the story? At the beginning, Bernardo and Maria are mostly seen as strong workers who fix things alone, but by the end, they change from just being workers to being leaders and teachers. From fixing to teaching, instead of just fixing the dam by themselves, they teach the villagers how to care for the environment. Growing in purpose, they realize that their job isn't just about moving rocks, it's about inspiring others to become guardians too. The villagers change. While the heroes grow as leaders, the villagers change the most, moving from being careless with trash to being respectful protectors of the water. What conflicts do the characters face and how do they resolve them? Bernardo and Maria face two main types of conflicts. It is nature versus structure. The problem, a sudden lump of crack, forms in the dam because of the powerful rushing water, and the resolution, Bernardo uses his physical strength to move heavy rocks while Maria uses resourceful tools like her vine belt to secure and repair the dam. Humans versus environment. The villagers are being careless and throwing trash into the river, making the water dirty. The resolution: instead of getting angry, the guardians use guidance and wisdom. They teach the villagers that the dam is a testament to their life, inspiring them to protect the water instead of harming it. Developing understanding of the key ideas then. Here are 5 examples of how to introduce yourself politely, ranging from normal to friendly. The classroom classic formal. Good morning everyone, my name is blank. It is a pleasure to meet you all. I am looking forward to learning with you today. Number 2, the friendly neighbor or casual. Hello there, I'm blank. I live just around the corner. I've heard so many nice things about this place and I'm happy to finally be here. The helpful peer, supportive. Hi, my name is blank. I'm really interested in our lesson about being environmental guardians. Please let me know if I can help you with anything. The respectful student. Good day to you. I'm blank. Thank you for welcoming me. I'm very happy to be a part of this group. Deepening understanding of the key ideas then. Demonstrative pronouns. Remember, demonstrative pronouns are used to point out specific things. This and these refer to something close to the speaker, while that and those refer to something further away. Example: these guardians repaired that damage under the dark sky using their best magic and stones. The demonstrative pronouns being used are this and that. Making generalization and abstraction. Complete the following statements. I learned that saying blank really counts. It is how we show thanks and form friendship. Learning the blank of the story deepens our understanding and those blank pronouns. They are ace at taking the place of all kinds of nouns and I got the hang of working out areas now. Just multiply the blank by the blank, easy peasy, with the formula area equals length times width. I realized that in the story, Bernardo and Maria show us that to solve problems, we need to do the right thing, like not blank trash in the water. To say blank to make people happy, for helping, and to use what we know like counting and shapes to fix things well. Evaluating learning. Direction. Underline the demonstrative pronouns in the given sentences. Number 1. They express their gratitude to the community, saying thank you for taking the time to learn and help us in this important task. Number 2. Surprised by the mythical guardians of Wawa Dam's unexpected presence, the villagers realized the dam's gift and their oversight. From that moment on, they promised to throw away their waste correctly. Number 3. These conditions are testing our skills, Maria shouted. Here are the correct answers. Arrange the event from a story in their correct sequence. Blank Dome finds a puppy near his school. Dome searches for the puppy's owner. Dome posts a notice about the lost puppy. The puppy's owner contacts Dome. Dome reunites the puppy with its owner. Good job today, everyone. You listen well, share your thoughts, and work hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to read and write. See you next time.